Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to close your NerdWallet account on the app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and stop using NerdWallet. You no longer need it. Maybe you found something else. How do you actually go ahead and turn off or close your NerdWallet account? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the three lines on the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on Settings. And then from here, you're going to see the option located underneath Face ID where it says Close My Account. So go ahead and click on Close My Account and simply follow the on-screen prompts, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and close your NerdWallet account on the app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.